Hi, what's up guys? I hope all of you are fine. And today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to export our each and every activities from the Facebook database. So guys, if you wanna learn, then keep up with us. And first of all, I wanna show how the extracted file will appear in our browser and how it's look like. So guys, here you can see I am exporting the zip file which I have downloaded from the Facebook, and here you can see I have exported and going to open it, and here you can see I have opened, and to see the message we have to go to the inbox folder, and here all the friend list with whom we are talked or chat are displayed. So as an example, I am gonna open one of them. Here you can see I am going to open the second one. Now to review the message, click on the second one file that was in HTML format, and here you can see the chat which I have done with this guy. So guys, let's review whether this chat is really real or fake. For that I am going to my Facebook activity. Here you can see I am going to open the messenger and opened, and the third one is the person whose chat I have downloaded, and here you can see I have told her hi bro, and he replied. And here also in the downloaded HTML folder you can see the same messages are displayed. It's real. So guys, let's get ready to learn how it's become possible to download the chat. For that, go to the Chrome browser and open your Facebook ID. Here you can see I have opened my Facebook ID, and then just go to the account and then setting and privacy, and then setting, and in the setting go to the your Facebook information, and then simply scroll down and you can see the download your information. And to download, just click on view, and in this window you can see copy request. So here you have to must select the time between which you want to export your activity. So I'm gonna select my whole time activities and then OK. And here you have to must select the format, and you have to select the quality. Also here I'm selected low to download it fast. After that you have to check each activity from your activity across Facebook. You can also select all the activities to download your each and every activities. I'm going to select only one, the messages. After the selection, click on create file, and here you can see the message, a copy of your information is being created. So wait until the request completed, and after the completion your file download option will be displayed in here. So wait until it's in pending, and here you can see the pending option is hidden and the download option is appear, and the notification is come that our file is ready to download. So simply click in download button and download it. To download you have to must enter your Facebook password. Here I have saved and entered, and click on submit button. And now here you can see at the left below corner the downloading process is going on, and here you can see it also, and my chat history has size 57.7 MB, and it's completed. Now click on show in folder to go to the folder, and here come to the folder, and now simply extract. And for the next steps you have to watch the starting where I have shown how to extract and take a review over your activity. So guys, thanks to being with us, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be updated from our next activities. See you soon. Bye bye.